Man, there's going to be another hot and humid one today. Welcome to my channel today, guys. Today's upload, just a little bit of everything. Kind of sharing bits and parts of my day, conversations and things going on, representing Corvette with our customers. So I figured I'd start today's vlog from the beginning, me getting to the dealership at 5:30 in the morning. Welcome to the channel. Boy, we have some fun stuff coming up for you guys this weekend, but I hope you enjoyed today's upload. Thanks for joining us. You know I hate doing anything on camera this early in the morning.
Yeah?
But good morning.
Good morning.
It's always good to see Chuck on the vlog. He texts me, calls me early in the morning. I'm up the hill at the other office. I'm like, oh no. What now? We need this part. This is something damaged. We can't get this. What's now? He says, no, actually, I have this for you, Rick. I said, oh. He made me some brisket. Thank you, sir.
Smoked brisket, baby.
And I said, hey, did you make this or did your wife make that? He goes, oh no. He goes, I smoked that. A little barbecue sauce will be good to go.
14 hours.
Yeah. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
And I was worried because we got a project going on over here right now that I hope to, and you got to let me know when you're doing it.
What?
To share in the vlog. We've got some accessories going on here, side skirts, a high wing, and when the bumper's off, Scott in New York asked you to go ahead because he actually has, I think, here we are in the second year of C8. I can count on one hand how many of you have ordered the competition seats. So he is going to do some performance driving and has asked Chuck to go ahead and put the 2 quarts extra Sorry, what was that again?
No,
go ahead, roll those eyes. Just okay. Just wanted to make sure that's what I was looking at. That was scary. He's gonna want the extra 2 quarts of transmission fluid put in, and even with the bumper off, it's going to be a couple extra steps to do.
No, the bumper off don't have nothing to do with putting transmission fluid in.
And that's what we intend to show you guys on the channel. So just let me know when you get to that point. Should have left this on.
No, you shouldn't have.
That's why I turned it back on. Chuck says, you need to cover this on the vlog. Well, camera's right here. Why don't we just cover it right now?
Well, let's cover it.
Come on, sunshine. No, he feels bad and he's upset. We had a client, one of our good clients, Tom, if you're watching, sorry, buddy. Yeah. Communication issues broke down, but also too the perception of when you do the first service. We showed you a little bit on the channel when you come in. It's not just an oil change. When you got to top off the fluid, the DCT filter, there's a lot just to get to those parts. Yeah. And it's a 2-3 hour process. So if you're gonna wait, I mean, you're gonna wait.
Yeah, expect to be a good 2 or 3 hours. And then if, like Mark, you have 3 or 4 recalls on top of it, you could be here all day.
Right.
Because some of the programming's take an hour, hour and a half to do.
Right, yeah, to download the software.
Yeah. So,
yeah. And part of the problem is we had a service writer that thankfully is no longer with us that did not convey this information to our customers. So kind of put you back into a corner, so that's okay.
And I feel bad.
Yeah, I know. So anything else you want to cover on the vlog?
No, I think I'm good now. Enjoy that brisket once again.
I don't think I'm going to turn the camera off. Hang on. We're just do a little more chatting here. Then you just never know what's going to come up in conversation.
Yeah, right?
And I'm in casual attire, coming in, checking on this car. Oh no, I chickened out. I'm not putting on the hood stinger as we've talked about in previous uploads. This is Larry's car going to Texas. We've got a professional about to start on that. But what I am going to do is put on the STINGRAY-R letters graphic on the side of the car. I appreciate all the feedback on that one video we did recently. And I'm actually maybe changing up where I said I think they should go. Remember guys that said maybe they go down here? Let me just give you a little teaser. Okay, so it'd go a little bit like that. Or, I'm thinking maybe, just maybe, for a balance, maybe putting it up here in this cove area. So let's just tape it there for you. So, I still don't know. I still think right now, just looking at it like that with you guys and thinking out loud, I'm still thinking down here. And in that graphic that we showed in that one video, actually, if you looked at it closely, GM actually showed it in both positions because it could go in either position. So Larry said still, whatever, Rick, you decide. Thanks, Larry, appreciate that. We did put, oh my gosh, look at this. Put his high wing on. Woo! I'm telling you, on the red car, I like the red high wing because you get the carbon flash posts that still tie into the carbon flash accents of the car. This is a great look, man.
What's going on?
Just checking on you. I guess it's a good thing that we're not doing a real-time vlog because this Scott's car's still sitting there.
Yeah.
Days later.
Uh-huh.
It's not like you're busy and you just have stuff being thrown at you.
Right. No, not at all.
I had some more aftermarket stuff to put on a car. Trey's car, he switched out the Z51 tires to the all-season tires and actually had some Paragon grills put on. And those were different, not zip tied, screwed on through the back. What do you mean, yeah?
Yeah, they was,
Come on.
oh, they're on there, but they was interesting to put on.
Oh, and we have a new accessory item. I don't know how much more we're going to be doing this stuff. I already said ordinarily we don't do this. I don't know if we're going to continue to do it. Did you put them on? Oh, you didn't put them on yet.
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Sorry. Oh, they're in the box? Okay. Down in here, you guys can see there's going to be grill screens there to protect those. There you go. Where are they at? Oh, they're in the box over here. Idea how those work. And you were putting these on from the Z51 tires. What was the comment you just made to me about the tires?
These new AS4s.
Yeah.
These balanced, all four are balanced out with less than 5 pounds of road force, which is excellent for a tire this size.
Okay.
Because I've seen them as high as 40, 50 pounds of road force, and then you're breaking them down, trying to turn them, match them up.
Okay.
These were excellent.
Yeah, but I am gonna miss, really gonna miss the Shadow Gray. I trust what GM's doing for the marketing and the new colors and stuff like that, and I said this before, I really think, and you guys agree, we really need a bigger palette of some different colors, but this one I think should have stayed. All right, it's early in the morning, and I know better to even stand back here when you attempt to do these, so.
So why are you still here?
He's right. Let's check on the stripe guy, see how he's doing. He's getting everything lined up right now. No pressure, Todd.
Yeah, okay.
And actually, once he gets to this car, Scott in New York is actually going to track this car. So we are going to add the 2 extra quarts of fluid to the transmission. But remember, Scott, and remember you guys, if you're going to do some tracking of your car, wait till 1,500 miles, all right? That's important. It's a little bit of a mishmash of everything. Again, it's my Corvette day, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to share with you guys. That's why I just put a little bit of everything in today's upload, and then we'll give you the final product as far as what's going on with Scott's accessories. He's working diligently on Trey stuff right now, and we've got the guy over there putting on the hood stinger. I'm here all casual, gonna do some emails for 2-3 hours, and then I gotta run around and do some stuff at the house. It's good to have you guys here with us right now. Thank you so much for joining us. This Sunday, I've got a fun coffee with Conti for you carbon fiber freaks out there. Fans, I'm sorry, but carbon fiber fans. Some interesting feedback on the exposed carbon fiber that's available for the C8 Corvette. First one to cover this on YouTube. Wait till you see the tally on this deal. Yeah, it's coming up Sunday. Coffee with Conti. Let's get it all lined up there. Yeah. I'm so glad. I'm so glad he's doing it. I really felt, I don't know. I'm one of those guys that if you watch somebody do something, okay, I can do it. If I had to read the instructions how to do that, oh, it never would be. But I've seen guys do it. I'm like, okay, I can do that. I've been putting on stripes and hood stingers, but this one I don't want to screw with. So just like, I remember one time, this has nothing to do with Corvette. I was doing home improvement sales before I got into the car business, and I watched guys put in a fence. And then all of a sudden, here I am building 330 feet of board-on-board, 6-foot-high fence. Knocked it out, did great, everything lined up great. I'm a little particular like that. I guess that Corvette in me came out in me before I got into the business. So, yeah, I can appreciate what you got to do to prep and do a job properly. All right, I got to say this again. And I think you guys agree with me on this. Watching him line this up. Chevy. What? Put that on the car before we get it, please. Oh my gosh. I just don't think, for this application, I don't think we should have to do that. I don't know, I am for some reason. I'm not even doing anything, and I'm sitting here just sweating to death right now, sorry. Well, you look way too serious, bro. Yeah? Yeah. How would you guys like to go to work and have a camera in your face at every move that you do trying to do your job? Welcome to our channel. Poor Chuck sometimes. Some stuff I do have to edit out. See him down there. Lots of prep work before he actually starts lick it and stick it. But again, this is what they do. They're a graphic shop here in Columbus, Hot Tropics. Thank you, Todd, and Todd number 2, doing what you do for us in the dealership. I do appreciate that. Hang on 1 second. I don't want to get too close. He just took the decal off. He's getting ready to stick it on the car. He knows I got a camera. We're filming for the vlog just to share our day with you guys. Thanks for watching. But yeah, I don't want to get too close. Hey, never mind. I'll walk right past him because the Corvette truck just pulled up. Yeah, buddy. This is going to be a continued flow. I keep telling you guys to hang in there. I stayed 3 hours after close last night and just typing emails, try to reply to emails. I'm frustrated because you guys are awesome and the inquiries are incredible, and I didn't even make a dent in that. So that's what I'm here for today. Going to do another 2-3 hours of emails only, and then busy trying to get the 21s delivered that are here, that are coming in now. Talking about 2022 pre-orders. It's good to get you guys in the queue in hopes that my gut feeling that 22 is going to be a much better year as far as availability. It'll be slow to start, but I really see it not being what we've been dealing with. And I don't want to do too much of a conversation on that right now in this vlog, but coming up we're going to talk about Z06, and no, it's not been announced yet. And I'm glad, really glad. More on that in a future video. So yeah, we're going to talk more briefly about Z06 and why I am so glad that it is not coming out, why I think that it is not coming out for 2022. There's a lot. You know, I was talking about this the other day, being that we're sharing just a mishmash of conversation and thoughts. I forget who I was saying to. Anyways, the point being that in 2013, when we were getting ready to launch the C7 Corvette, and there was such a pent-up demand, you guys couldn't wait for a new Corvette. Think about this, in 2013, so here comes the C7, we're all giddy like we are right now for C8, but in 13, they were finalizing the C8 Corvette to be a hardtop convertible. So that's how far ahead they are from what we're seeing right now. So who knows what's going on behind the scenes at this very moment. There he goes, man. Oh yeah. You guys don't have a time lapse. It's been 20 minutes. He's still on the same cove. I even hate to ask, you doing all right? Oh, I am. There's that look you guys love. You doing all right?
You're like fishing back in a cave that you can't get back in, is what this is.
Right. I don't think we'll be doing any more of these, will we? That's your, I mean, that's your call, bro.
I certainly hope not.
What's that?
I certainly hope not.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought you said. All right, here we go. We're off the truck. He's already prepped. Already prepped. Already prepped. A couple more. Oh yeah, and then these two knuckleheads. Can you see what this is? This is Corvette parking here. Okay, somebody get the tow truck. I think we've shared enough of my day. Let's go over and check on the STINGRAY-R hood graphic. That should be done. And then we look forward to seeing you guys on our next upload, which is going to be Sunday Coffee with Conti. Hoping to do that in a different setting as we discuss the visible carbon fiber options available on your C8 Corvette. Be nice for you guys to walk in, you know, to walk in and say, oh, there's a car for sale. I can sit in it. I can test drive it. We haven't been in that environment for years, and I think we are another year away before you see that. Now, of course, there's cars out there that are available, and if you want to spend 30, 40 grand over sticker, bam, there you go, you can drive home. Actually had one guy said, hey, I spent 20 grand over sticker, Rick, take me off the list. I just didn't want to wait anymore, man. I was happy, got the car, and glad I got the car, and was willing to pay what it took to get it. So if you're one of those guys, let me know. I'll find a way to wiggle you in, but it is a, what's he doing? It is a process. Okay, let's get an update on this STINGRAY-R hood decal. Todd, how you doing, man?
Doing fine.
Doing good? Oh my goodness. Wow, that's beautiful, man. Beautiful job.
Got it wrapped and everything.
Came underneath there, underneath there. Oh, nice job, dude. I'm just excited I didn't have to do it. Nice job indeed, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's why we called him. All right, you guys, the decal is on. Look at that. Nice job, Todd. This tucks in here, tucks in here. Nice consistent flow. Corvette Racing, Jake, we love that. Corvette logos, a little smaller, and then they get bigger as the decal goes all the way up. All right, thanks you guys for allowing me to share bits and parts of my day. I love talking Corvette with you no matter what it is. Today, like I said, we were all over the place. Sunday on our Coffee with Conti show, going to talk specifically about the visible carbon fiber and what's available on the C8 Corvette and how much it costs you guys. That's why I call you Carbon Fiber Freaks. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you soon. Thank you again for watching.